How to spot Temu fake product reviews instantly. First of all, let's navigate and open the Temu app on your phone. Once you're inside, you can find a product that you like or want to buy. As you can see on the screen, there are lots of products that you can explore. For this demonstration, I'll select a random product and open it on the screen. The first step is to check all of the images that the seller has provided for the product, so you can see how they are presenting it. The second best step is to check the product rating, but don't rely on it completely because we're going to explore more details. Now, if you scroll down a little, you'll find the reviews section where you can see the overall rating and the total number of ratings the product has received. You can also see some review filters like nice, beautiful, and stylish watch. But we're going to check these reviews in a different way. I'll tap on the star rating and it will open the reviews page on the screen. Here, at first glance, you can see the top reviews, but these are not actually what we're looking for. We want to check the fake and genuine reviews, so for that, we need to apply a filter. At the top, if you tap on filters like nice, it will show only the reviews that contain words like nice, perfect, and similar comments. Sometimes these reviews are authentic, but sometimes they can be fake, so you can't trust them completely. Instead, let's try a different method. At the top, you will see the recommended filter. If you tap on it, it will open a menu on the screen. From here, you can select an option to filter the reviews. First, I will select most recent, and as you can see, the most recent reviews are not actually explaining much. Most of them only leave a rating without any feedback. But if you scroll down a bit, you can see that the most recent reviews are not very good. That means the product may not be receiving positive feedback. Now let's apply another filter. Open the drop-down again, and this time I will select lowest rating. As you can see, the lowest rated reviews mention the actual problems. For example, one review says the watch doesn't work. Another review mentions that the product looks good in the pictures, but the actual quality is poor. That's why I told you at the beginning to first check the images the seller is presenting and then compare them with what buyers actually receive. You can also check the images that buyers have shared with their reviews to see the problems in more detail. Now, at the top, you will also find the rating filter. If you tap on it, it will allow you to select a rating range. I recommend selecting the 4-star rating because these reviews are usually more helpful. Buyers often mention both the good and the bad about the product. Here, you can see one review saying that the product is completely fine and very nice, but there is still an issue, which is why they left 4 stars instead of 5. Another review mentions that the item is exactly as shown on the website, except that it does not come in the box. Instead, each piece arrives separately. In this way, you can understand both the fake and genuine reviews of any product. You can continue exploring more reviews by scrolling down and checking both the positive and negative feedback about the product. Now let's go back to the top. The next thing you should check is the photos and video section because it is much more helpful. For example, the first review says, "I bought the set hoping to get the black box as shown in the photo. I am very disappointed and I am requesting a refund." This is the third review we have seen that mentions the product was not delivered in the box as shown in the listing. So if you see a review saying they received the product in the box exactly as shown, it could be a fake review. You can even check the images shared by other buyers. They did not receive the product in the black box. In this way, you can explore more reviews where buyers explain the problems in detail. And that is how you can identify fake reviews and find genuine reviews before buying a product. And that's it.